हेलो एवरीवन। सो आगे की जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ। डू यू थिंक दैट प्लांट कैन बी grouped on the basis of the variation present in their leaves? Now let's try to explore root of the plants. Do all plants have roots? Are their roots similar? So we will be find difference of plants, and now we will be discuss activity number 2.6. Let's find out. Visit an open area where wild shrubs and grasses are growing. You may use small herbs for this exercise. Using a khurpi, carefully dig out a few different herbs without damaging the roots. To do this, do may wet the soil and loosen it. Wash the root with water and observe them. After you are done observation, make sure to replant the shrubs so that they may continue to thrive and grow. What are the similarities and different in the roots of the plants collected by you? What difference do you see in the roots of plants shown in figure 2.2 and figure 2.2b? And different plants as you see in your notebook. Observation carefully the roots of a mustard plant in figure 2.5a, and the roots of these plants consist of one main root and small side roots arising from it. The main root is called taproot. Another example of a plants having taproot is hibiscus observed by you in activity 2.1. The plants in figure as a bunch of similar size thin roots arising from the basis of the stem. Such roots are called fibrous roots. Does your collection include any other grasses? What kind of root do you have? So, is there any relation between the type of leaf variation and type of root of the same plant? How do we find this out? So, let's find the difference in activity 2.7. We will be started. Let's relate it and analyze. Collect sampling of 5 common plants from your school's nursery or any other nurseries to plant in your school garden. Example of such plants can include lemongrass, marigold, sadabahar, periwinkle, and others. Before planting them, observation their roots and their variation in their leaves. Record your observation in table 2.4, like some example included in your in your books, like lemongrass is a parallel leaves variation parallel, and fabricous types of fruits. So you will be included your 4 types of other plants variation and types of fruits. Do you have observed and relation between the leaves variation and type of fruits in these plants? A sadabar plant have a top root and its leaves have a reticulated variation. Do you other plant with reticulate variation these taproot too? Lemongrass on the other hand as fibrous root and these leaves have parallel veneration. Do other plants with parallel veneration have fabrication root too? Generally, plants with the reticulate veneration have two taproot, while those with parallel veneration have fabricous root. It means like different plants and different roots. It means parallel, and fabricous depends on different plants nature and surrounding areas. So Chickpea, it means chana, is another example of plant with the taproot and reticular venetion in leaf. Wheat is an example of plants with fibrous roots and parallel venetion in roots. And you see in the difference in your field and in your nearby uh, plants and nursery, so you will be find out, is there any relation among the seeds of a plant's type of fruit and leaf variation? Are all seeds similar? So we will be talk about and compare with the using activity 2.8, like a smoke some chickpea and maize seed in water for 2 or 3 days, and we will find, remove the seed coat of a chickpea. Now observe the structure of the chickpea and maize seed. Are they similar or different? Of course they are also different. You would notice that chickpea seeds are split into two parts. Each part is called a cotyledon, and plants they have seed with two cotyledons are called dicotyledons. It means dicots. So we will find a different types of plants and different types of it means different types of seeds. So two part we will be divided. So we will call dicots. Maize has a single thin dicot. It means cotyledon. Plants with such seeds are called monocotyledons. It means only single seeds we will be used in monocots. What relation do you observe among leaf variation, root types, and the number of cotyledons in seeds of plants? Dicots plants have a reticulated variation and a taproot system, while monocot plants have parallel variation and fibrous root system. You have learned about some features used for grouping plants. Now let's explore the grouping of animals in more details. Now, how to group animals? So, in above our chapter, we will be discuss with plants, and now we will be talk about with animals, and also we will be discuss with groups. Just like plants, animals too are significantly different from one another. How can we group such a wild variety of animals? What feature can you think of the group them? In activity 2.3 you have already set some basis of grouping animals. Let's explore a few of these more details. Activity 2.9, let's find out different animals in your surrounding area. So you have recorded the movement of a few animals in table 2.2. You may have also observed how other animals move from place to place. Let's now think about the types of movements in animals. A number of animals are shown in figure 2.7. You can add more animals that that you may have observed and create a poster on the variety of animals. Which body part are used by the animals in the poster you create, and those in figure 2.7 for movements. So you will be show in picture, and you will be create a diagram of one animals, and you will be participated in your quiz competition. List these animal in table 2.5. Note the way in which these animals move and name the body part used for movements. Some examples are given in table 2.5. So table 2.5 we will be find and movements in animals and their body parts involved, like ant. So ant will be movement part legs. Goat walk and jump with help of legs. Pigeon movements in flies wings, and housefly walk and fly legs and wings, and fish only in fins, and other we will be find your different types of animals, so you can include in table 2.5. So now, what conclusion can you draw from the data given in table 2.5? Yes, you will be you can do it. Different animals have different type of movements. Animal can fly, run, crawl, walk, hop or jump, and so on. These animals use different body part for moving from one place to another. They may use wings, legs, and another part of that help them to move. Here we have identify animal based on the type of movement and the body part used for movements. How can we group animals based on their movements? Additionally, many animals differ from each other in shape, size, structure, color, and other features. Some of these features can also be used to group animals in various ways. Like plants, grouping of animals is important for understanding their diversity. So now we will be discuss a scientist, Janki Amal. So you will be observe, and you will be learn more about your uh, diversity. So Janki Amal, born in 1897 and to 1984, was an Indian botanist dedicated to environment work and helped to document and preserve India's rich plant biodiversity. She played a key role in the Save Silent Valley movement as the head of the Botanical Survey of India. She initiating programs to document the plant diversity of India. Thank you.